Hello, hi Jason. So I work as a BI architect for United Health Group. We are, as of now, using the relational databases. We are planning to move to cloud, and that's why I started with this course. I want to learn about how what different type of cloud services are there, and with this course has really helped me to understand the structure and the solution. Mary has made it very clear, and I think, and my as I'm new, I'm learning every day, and I'm getting there. So yeah, I feel confident about that soon, within a month two, we will be able to create some solution for to get us in cloud. And thanks to Mary. Thank you so much.